Well, conflict happens at the workplace. It is very likely that conflict may occur between two team members or between the team lead and the team, or maybe there's a conflict with the client. Now, we spoke about psychological safety in the context of collaboration and communication. Psychological safety is very important for conflict resolution because it sets the space. Creating the right space and environment, a safe and non judgmental space where communication is open, transparent, honest, and empathetic, and everybody is valued and there's good connection. All these go a long way in preventing conflict at the workplace. When conflict arises, the best way is to have a dialogue, listen actively, so uh, you understand what is actually happening, the underlying root causes, and look for win-win solutions and resolutions. The main goal, of course, is to maintain a peaceful, harmonious, and trusting workplace environment.
While in your profession, any profession, and when you are engaged with people who work, there will be conflict. If there is no conflict between employees, there must be something seriously wrong. So, it is important that we understand what is this conflict resolution all about. Any type of conflict happens, the source is expectation. There is a difference in the expectation, and therefore there is a conflict when there is a difference in the outcome that is achieved. Now, this is interpersonal conflict that we are now speaking about. Leave this aside. There is also a conflict within us. Within each one of us, we keep thinking whether we should go ahead doing this or we should just leave it, avoid doing it. There are people who, again, that ABC syndrome, not syndrome, they adopt some strategy. A is they avoid the task that they don't want to do. Now, if your boss is very strict, he looks with an eagle's eye and he knows who is doing what, you are unable to avoid the task. What you are doing is, you try to bypass, that is B. Bypass means you get around, do something else and look busy, and so that this task is not done. You are not able to bypass or avoid also, and then you confuse the whole matter, create some conflict somewhere, and then that is unending. So, conflict can arise in any kind of situation, be created by anybody in the group. What is important is we should be clear about our role. We should, as a team member, as a responsible team member, accept our part of the role. And of course, give in our bit to achieve the end result. When there is an interpersonal conflict, when there is an inter-team conflict, when there is an inter-group conflict, then of course it can get resolved if there is somebody who intervenes, who rationally looks at the issues for and against, keeping the organization's health in mind. It will all be resolved. It can be done. Why it can be? It should be done. It should be done. And it is all about understanding each other's role and belief in give and take, and subordinating one's own interest or a particular group's interest to the organization's overall growth, overall objective. Thank you.